If your Samsung S25 or S26 is not fast charging after one UI 8 update, then let us see what to do. Now in all the cases, the update might not be the problem. So let us look at few things before so that we can try to fix the issue. Now the first thing is make sure that you use the correct cable that comes with the phone itself. For Samsung S25, S26, you will get 3 ampere charging cable. Make sure to use the same cable, and if you have the base version of Samsung S25, S26, use 25 watt charger. If you have Samsung S25 or S26 Plus, use 45 watt charger, and if you have the Ultra model, you use the 60 watt charger. So use the correct cable and the correct charger. The next thing is, you see this charging port here. Use a small needle or a toothpick and gently move inside this charging port so that if there is any dirt, any linen inside, remove it and then try to charge it. Sometimes the linen or the dirt that gets collected inside this charging port will make a problem in charging your phone. After that, the other thing that you can do is you can go to settings option here, go to battery and go to this option battery protection. Turn off this battery protection and then charge your phone and check if fast charging works or not. The next thing is, when you are in this battery, go to this charging settings and make sure that you have enabled this option fast charging and fast wireless charging both. If these options are disabled, then your phone will not charge faster. The other thing is, if your phone is too hot, then switch off the phone, let it cool down and then charge your battery. Now if none of these things work, then the update might have caused the issue. So in that case, you can check for update. So you have to go to settings here, go to software update and select this option download and install. Like for me, I have update pending, so I will select this option install now. And for you also, if there is an update pending, update it and this might fix the issue. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.